Molly Etheridge knows that for many women, working as a welder in a shipyard is not for them.
They don't like being dirty, they don't like being hot, they don't like sweating.
Many employers say they prefer female welders because of their fine motor skills and creativity.
Make things, I look at it, I'm like, hey, I made that.
And best of all, she has a skill that will always keep her employed.
A lot of people have a degree, but they can't use it. But I have a trade. Trades don't die.
And in ship repair, there are opportunities in welding and ship fitting as riggers and sheet metal workers, and performing electrical work, carpentry, and machining. And there are also well-paying options outside of the trades.
There's IT, there's communications, there's purchasing, there's human resources.
Kat Brooks was in the Marines for 8 years before becoming a shipyard safety director, 2 duties her youngest children can't quite grasp.
They know that mommy goes to work in boots, and mommy has always gone to work in boots.
Kat believes she brings a maternal side to her job as the one in charge of employees' health and welfare.
Every one of these lives out here, that's how I interpret them to be, a soul.
Our job in QA is to make sure that we're abiding by all the regulations. We're doing everything we need to do in the order in which we need to do it, and we're the ones who make sure that all of our shops and all of our guys actually comply.
It takes attention to detail, ability to work with others, and a thorough understanding of the customer's requirements, says Brittany, who previously worked at a concert venue.
I needed something more challenging.
This is it?
This is it.
Women can enter the trades right out of high school, college, or another career. Some employers offer apprentice programs, which include a paid job and free schooling. Many skilled positions pay $50,000 or more, and because the industrial workforce is aging, the yards are eager to train young people who can come to work drug-free, with a clean record and a positive attitude.
If you're the type of person where you want to be busy all day and it's ever-changing, this is the field to be in, yes.
It's a great career, good money, it's a solid foundation. You're learning a skill set that you can take with you anywhere.
Make the smart choice. Southeastern Maritime and Transportation Center. Go to maritime-technology.org.